Our company DVORAK Svahově Sekačky s.r.o. is based in the village of Pohled in the Czech Republic. We develop, manufacture and sell remote-controlled slope mowers known under the name brand Spider. Our company was established in 2004 as a small family business, and today we employ over 80 people. The first prototype we created together with my nephew Pavel Vondracek in a garage, and it was actually the first remote-controlled mower for professional use in the world. Thanks to patented technologies, we are still the only producer of this type of machine. We got many prizes for innovation and design, for example, the Red Dot Award. Our distributor network spans across more than 30 countries all around the world, from New Zealand to USA and Canada. Our average annual growth is around 20%, and in 2019 we launched 2 new products, the Spider Crossliner and the Spider 3-Rider. We also launched an online campaign titled Mona Lisa that was awarded by Flemma Media as the best campaign. We have also increased our number of distributors across the world in countries like Portugal, China, Hungary and Bulgaria. Our motto is, let's do things differently. We focus on the continuous development and innovation of our products, and we also take our customers' feedback seriously, using the gathered information for further improvements. Due to the fact that our distributors are spread all around the world, we have a variety of perspectives from different markets with different attitudes. We try to be as flexible as possible and react to changes accordingly. And we are honored that our machines are perceived as a unique way how to maintain inaccessible and extreme areas where no other machine would be able to reach. All our production is based in the Czech Republic, ensuring the highest quality and efficiency. Even though we are still considered a small family company, we give our employees room for professional growth and also care about their well-being. These are some of the reasons why most of our employees have been with our company for many years. We take pride on the fact that we are still a family-run business with an easygoing atmosphere, without strict rules, and we prefer to reach deals that will benefit everyone instead of setting contract demands, something rarely seen in manufacturing companies nowadays.